Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download PDF Reader on your computer. So for downloading that, click on Window key and then search here Microsoft Store and then open it. So here you can see. So now on the Microsoft Store, search on the search bar PDF Reader. So let me search. So now here you can see many PDF readers are showing. So now click on this PDF reader. Now click on Get to download this. So here you can see it is processing. So it will take a few seconds according to your internet speed to download. So this is how you can download PDF reader on your computer. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.